name is Shane Smith. I'm Community Engagement Officer with the Innovation Factory. We're delighted to host this event in partnership with our customer Copius. The Emerging Leaders event very much fits into the similar objectives to our own. It's about promoting good relations and sharing space to all the new communities that are now in Northern Ireland.
My name's Colin Holliday. I'm here representing Lisburn People Support Project. I'm involved with the young leadership in Ballymacash, Old Warren and Milltown and Derryagh.
I'm Steve McGuinness. I'm here as a Republican community activist from the Callan area. I run a number of community safety organisations and youth organisations within the Callan area.
I think it's very important, as Stephen says, we come from different political backgrounds, but it's through leadership which we want to show them which can benefit them in growing up and the communities they come from, and how we can sit down and put our differences to the background to make things better for everybody. So I hope they can learn from this, take it and be inspired by what we're trying to introduce them to.
Well, we're hoping that the kids will gain, that they will have the confidence and hearing the experiences that we've been through from within our communities, going back from maybe 20, 25, 30 years. We've been through it and been there, so we're hoping that the experiences that we give them, that they can take them on board and hopefully use them in future life, because we really do believe that young people need to take leadership and show leadership.
Hi, my name is Nathan Moore. I'm here representing Lisburn Rugby Club. I'm their head coach of the first 15. It's been brilliant to be involved in such an initiative like this. I think supposed to develop as a leader in life, and having the young people be able to learn from all the people around different sports and different organisations has been a very well set out evening. We've talked a lot about how, to be a leader, we need to be open, open to new challenges and realising that failure is only the first attempt at learning. That was something I got given when I was even 5-6 years ago before I led a team. And that's one of the mantras that I would probably go by, that that failure is not a problem, it is that first attempt and we just try again and try again. So I think being able to put that across to people between this age, 16 and 24 is fantastic. I think it's something I would have liked when I was at that age, to be able to move me on and give me that opportunity that I have at the minute.